Hello everyone, so here we are right now in this open backyard and we will save a few rain lilies that are growing here because last time it was bushwhacked by the owner. So a garden trimmer went in here and just have them all cut off, but you see these are nice rain lily, this one and also this one. We just need to be careful with the ant. So there's another one here. It kind of mimics to the grass, which is like, it kind of looks like this grass here, but this is actually a rain lily. They are pink, I think, and they're so beautiful. So as you can see, there is a bulb here. So it has like little bulbs. Usually the lily plants like amaryllis, the lilies has bulbs. So yeah.
Rain lilies are not particular with soil, although they will thrive better in a more acidic medium.
So we will put some soil here. This one, look, they look so healthy. She's just growing here wild. And I'll show you after potting, how would it look like.